If it wasn't for the pedals, you'd have a hard time distinguishing between the new Wau Cyber and a low-displacement motorcycle. To be fair, the presence of pedals is not the only thing that makes this new personal electric vehicle qualify for the title of a bicycle. In its base modification, it can be equipped with a Bafang M150 motor, good for only 250 watts of output. However, the fans of breezy rides should not be disappointed just yet. Besides the 250-watt motor option, you'd be able to choose between a Bafang Ultra M620 motor, good for 750 watts of output, and a high-power QS138 motor unit that generates up to 5 kilowatts of power. Depending on the motor choice, you'd be able to enjoy the electrified push to either 15.5, 28, or 55 miles per hour. The entry-level Cyber 250 gets a 48-volt battery with 1 kilowatt-hours of capacity, which is good for up to 200 miles of riding. The more powerful Cyber 750 is using a 52-volt battery with the same capacity. It should reportedly manage up to 160 miles on a charge. Finally, the motorbike-level Wau 5000 draws its energy from a 60-volt battery. With 2.8 kilowatt-hours at your disposal, you could travel for up to 60 miles. All modifications of Wau Cyber feature a futuristic design with an aluminum frame that has 8 liters of integrated storage, fat 24x4-inch fat tires, KKE double crown suspension forks, rear swing arm suspension, and Tektro hydraulic disc brakes. The list of optional equipment includes an off-road package, RGB lighting pack, GPS tracking, and a safety pack with front and rear security cameras and crash radars. QuietKat, an American manufacturer of rugged all-terrain electric bikes, has recently hit the news with information about their upcoming motorcycle-inspired bike. Lynx is said to be fully unveiled at the AIM Expo at the beginning of 2024. However, we already know some details regarding this two-wheeler. The Lynx will have a unique look with cafe racer design cues. Its power will come from a throttle-activated 2-speed hub motor with 1,000 watts of output. Just like other QuietKat products, the Lynx will have supreme off-road capabilities that will be backed up by a full suspension system and highly capable 24x4.5-inch Moto-style tires. The suspension setup is represented by a 203mm inverted mechanical coil fork and a rear mechanical coil shock with 100mm of travel. Sunra, an internationally known Asian manufacturer of electric scooters, is trying its luck in a completely new class of two-wheelers. To be fair, the model that Sunra used as their entry to the e-bike market is quite unusual. It's a cruiser-style bike with a retro design that is sure to make a lasting impression on any fan of motorcycling. Even though Miku Retrolax is built on a magnesium-aluminum alloy frame, it weighs close to 93 pounds, which is not the lowest weight by e-bike standards. Luckily, this model utilizes a 750-watt electric hub motor and a 7-speed Shimano transmission to give you 3 levels of electric assist to move this weight around with better efficiency. Moreover, there's a throttle-only setting that requires no pedaling and grants you the top speed of 20 miles per hour. The bike's 48-volt, 20-amp-hour lithium battery is hidden inside a special compartment stylized as a retro fuel tank. With this battery unit, you can expect up to 37 miles of range autonomy. Finally, the list of standard features includes front and rear hydraulic disc brakes, 4-link magnesium suspension fork, a bright rounded headlight, and a high-definition LCD control screen. Volcon, a Texas-based EV startup, is slowly but surely expanding their lineup of electric personal mobility vehicles. After bringing to the market an electric dirt bike last year and unveiling a side-by-side model this year, the company is planning further ahead and has already commenced the sales of yet another EV model. Their Brat bike is set to compete in the motorcycle-style e-bike market segment that is especially hot nowadays. This two-wheeler will feature a cafe racer-inspired design with an elongated leather seat, suitable for riding 2-up, 20 by 4-inch mixed-terrain tires, a rounded headlight, and a storage area stylized as a fuel tank. This storage area is also said to have a built-in USB port for phone charging. The two-wheeler will be suspended by an inverted telescoping adjustable fork and rear monoshock. There will also be hydraulic disc brakes, a rear hub motor, and a multi-level pedal assist system. The hub motor will have 750 watts of continuous power output, so you can expect to have 28 mph top speed capabilities. The power to the motor is to be supplied by a 750 watt-hour removable battery pack, suitable for up to 30 miles of electrified riding. If you thought that boutique manufacturing was strictly limited to Bentley, Rolls-Royce, Pagani, and other posh vehicles, then you will surely be amazed by the works done by North Carolina's E-Roy Bikes. This electric mobility company is offering bespoke electric bike operations for their Arc Hero bicycle. Even though, on paper, Arc Hero is a Class 2 bicycle, its design is giving off some serious mini motorcycle vibes. The bike's frame is built with aircraft-grade aluminum and has a set of decorative elements welded to it. Right now, you can pick between 8 already available designs, but if you'd like to make something even more unique and stunning, then there's a full bespoke customization service available. In terms of specifications, Arc Hero is equipped with a 2,000-watt rear hub motor and a 52-volt 28-amp-hour battery. In the city riding mode, the model behaves like a traditional Class 2 bike that can reach 20 miles per hour on throttle or pedal assist power and give you up to 45 miles of riding. If needed, you can unlock the full powertrain potential in the off-road mode. A 2,000-watt peak output, 20 by 4-inch Knobby Kenda, and a full suspension system would definitely make this model feel at home while climbing steep dirt trails or cruising through a sandy beach. Despite being equipped with a step-through frame that is inherent to classic mopeds, the admirers of motorcycling will surely like the new X-Trail Pro, thanks to its motorcycle-style rounded headlamp, knobby 20 by 4-inch tires with all-terrain capabilities, and a surprisingly potent powertrain. The ability to reach the 42 mph top speed automatically puts X-Trail Pro in line with top-tier e-bikes of today. Such speed capabilities come courtesy of a dual-motor powertrain that consists of a 750-watt front and 1,000-watt rear hub motor. The motor output is activated by means of a twist throttle or a pedal assist system with a cadence sensor. The powertrain is not the only department where the manufacturer decided to double down. Besides 2 motors, the bike is equipped with a dual battery system and a dual suspension setup. The 48-volt 20-amp-hour front battery and 48-volt 15-amp-hour rear battery bring the overall capacity to 1,680 watt-hours. In turn, this equates to the maximum range of 120 miles. The dual suspension with a hydraulic adjustable front fork and rear spring suspension are there to smooth the ride in any road conditions, while nut 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors are there to ensure proper stopping power. T01 is one of the most odd-looking electric bicycles that have been released to the public in recent years. This two-wheeler is based on a compact trellis frame and is rolling on a set of 20 by 4-inch fat tires. This e-bike utilizes a 500-watt rear hub motor that could propel you to the limited top speed of 28 miles per hour. The power to the motor is supplied by the frame-integrated 48-volt 13-amp-hour battery pack with an estimated range of 25 miles. Once depleted, the battery can be topped up in about 8 hours. The list of basic components includes a 7-speed gearing system with a pedal assist sensor, a full suspension system with a rear air shock and a front oil shock absorber, hydraulic disc brakes, dual LED headlights, and an LCD control system that displays speed, estimated range, and the chosen pedal assist level. Following the footsteps of other established motorcycle manufacturers like Yamaha, Ducati, and Harley-Davidson, the Spanish Gasgas manufacturer has been getting into the electric bicycle industry. This year, their lineup that already has enduro, trail, trekking, and cross-country models is joined by a motorcycle-inspired urban cruiser bike. Aimed to compete with California beach cruiser bicycles, the new Gasgas Moto has a one-size-fits frame with raised handlebars, a long bench seat, 20-inch fat tires, and supermoto aesthetics. Although the bike's complete specifications are yet to be announced, we already know that there will be two powertrain setups available. European customers will get a pedal assist model with a rear hub motor and a battery with up to 672 watt-hours of capacity, while the American market will receive a more potent powertrain variant with up to 750 watts of output. Our team is working hard on bringing the latest and greatest news from the world of electric two-wheelers. If you'd like to support our efforts, please subscribe for further updates, and feel free to share our work with your friends or request new overviews in the comment section below. Thanks once again, and till next time.